people from this channel, welcome to another video. This one will be probably different, slightly different. It's gonna be a review by comparison. So Hersheys cookie creams. I'm gonna compare ice cream versus chocolate bar. Same brand and same module, cookie and cream. I'm gonna start with the chocolate bar. I'm gonna do try to compare a few things. Taste, obviously not texture, but well, it's probably the only one. Flavor, because ice cream to chocolate is not similar, so it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter what you think!
I'll start with the cookie cream chocolate bar. So this is a 40 grams chocolate bar with I'm gonna put the calories over here and try and make some maths, but it doesn't matter. Let's see how this one looks like. Ooh, be careful. Damn it, I knew it. I broke the chocolate bar into pieces, but that's fine. This is how it looks like. They have Hersheys written. I don't know if you can see Hersheys written. That's fine. So yeah, cookies and cream. I'll break this one now. Wait. And see how it tastes. Let's go. It's a bit dry. It's not that sweet. It's more like a cookie and cream. But yeah, the black dots. You can really feel the texture of a cookie. And the white, it's not white chocolate. It's more of I don't know, as they say, creamy. Not too sweet, but it's okay. Score, I don't know, probably 6. It's not too sweet, and this is only 40 grams, and I'm already get a bit too sick of the flavor. Down. So now let's jump into the ice cream. Oops. So ice cream is 90 milliliters. Well, it's quite big.
Does size matter?
Yes, it matters.
Yeah, you can see a few things, a few black dots of the cookie. Let's go. You see? Much more sweeter. The outside feels like white chocolate. I don't know. Yeah. I feel like the white chocolate mixing with the inside is okay. Comparing to the Biscoff, if you haven't watched the previous video, make sure to do so. I'm gonna leave below. I'm gonna leave it in the description. I don't know. I was expecting a bit more because we know Hersheys is a well-known brand. So yeah, I was expecting a bit more. The score will be a 5. The chocolate bar, you can really feel it's a cookie and cream chocolate. When with the ice cream, that's it, guys. Well, it was quite quick. Again, chocolate bar, a score of, it was 6, yeah. This one was a 5. Was that? Yeah, I think it was that. The chocolate bar wins over the ice cream. So I was expecting a bit more of the ice cream, to be honest. Not much better than the chocolate, but probably close, but not this time. I also will try to find more Hersheys chocolates and ice creams to see if I can compare them. And yeah, see how it goes. People, thanks for your support. I really appreciate if you leave a like and comment for what you think I could do more. And press that subscribe button, please, guys. And into the next episode. Cheers.